Hey, how you doing? I want to show you how to make a camper awning. My name is Will, and it's real easy to do. Anybody can do it. Watch this. There it is. Looks legit, don't it? This was made out of a inflatable yard television screen. Right there, air-blown inflatables. One of those big old screens you see at the lake or something. We just chopped it up and made use of it. These came off a fanny pack right there. These little guys came off a couple backpacks we had. I think one of them came off someone's purse. They work really good. And these right here, these can be made easily. The tube made out of some handlebars off a bicycle, and the square piece came off a piece of square tube that I just cut and drilled a few holes in. Put a bolt through it right there. Swivels easy. Just drill it in there. Now this will accommodate some of the small conduit that you get at like Home Depot or something. And if you want something that's collapsible, you can use old tent stakes. The old aluminum ones work great. And those can be cut down to any size. So yeah, a little bit of sewing and have it in no time at all. This took about 3 hours to make, and I can't say I didn't make mistakes. Yep, I put the hem on the outside on that one, but it happens, doesn't matter. These eyelets are just screw in, drill a small hole and turn it in with a screwdriver. Those are pretty good right there. Real easy to install, and they don't pull out very easy. Easy to make. Now this whole thing collapses and you can tie it all up in a bundle, and it all fits in this one little bag right here. Hardly any space. You can throw it underneath the bed, throw it up in the balcony, anywhere you want to put it. And you don't have to worry about it deteriorating out here. Those ones that are alongside your RV or whatever, they get sun rotted pretty bad. Anyways, hope this helps, and good luck, and take it easy.